I want a dress. I want the dress.
Using nouns in Danish.
Do you still recall the video about using articles in and it? How about the video that explains how to form the plural form of nouns?
If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then you are reserved a VIP invitation. All you need to do is press the like and subscribe icon and you are ready to watch the show. Are you done yet? Thank you so much for subscribing and welcome to the show.
Using nouns in Danish.
In Danish language, there are two articles that come before a noun. These may be articles in or it. When you use this before a noun that corresponds to that particular article, then the noun is in indefinite form and that we call Ubestemt in Danish. Articles in and it do not identify a definite name of a person, animal, object, or event, therefore indefinite or undefined the noun is. How do we make a singular noun bestemt or definite? A singular noun becomes bestemt or definite by placing the article in or it at the end of the noun that corresponds to it. For example,
En avis, avisen, et bord, bordet.
it is like I am saying, I want a dress, but I do not specify which kind of dress I want.
I want a dress.
Jeg vil have en kjole. Jeg vil have en kjole.
But if I am sure which kind of dress I want, I will say,
I want a dress.
Jeg vil have kjolen. Jeg vil have kjolen.
let us read some examples of indefinite singular nouns or ubestemt and change them into definite or bestemt form. In hund, honen. Et brev, brevet. In dronning, dronningen. In gave, gaven. Et skib, skibet. And how about the plural form of nouns that are indefinite in form? How do we make them definite or bestemt in meaning? When a plural noun is in ubestemt or indefinite form, we make it bestemt or definite by adding ne or ene at the end of the word. For example, ubestemt bila, bestemt bila na. More examples: stole, stolene. Kurve, kurvene. Taske, taskene. Frukter, fruktene. Bøge, bøgene. Brødre, brødrene. For, forene. Mus, musene.
This concludes our video. I hope you've enjoyed the show.
Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Thank you so much for watching. Come again next time.